Hi everyone, Miss Abraham here. Today I'm going to show you how to download an extension onto your Chrome. Your teachers might ask you to download an extension. That way you can use those resources for your classwork. Let's get started. First, you'll start off with your Google, and we're going to go ahead and click on Chrome extensions. It's going to bring us to this store where I can find all of these add-ons for our Chromebook. Once you get to the Chrome Web Store, we're going to search the store, and let's search for Flipgrid. We click on there and we see there's only one, so we will click on Flipgrid. I'll move myself here. And we're going to add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on it and then add extension. It's downloaded and Flipgrid is added up here. Once I click on that, I can join a code that my teacher gives me and record a video or an audio using Flipgrid. I hope that you learned something new today and you know how to download new extensions onto your Chromebook. Thank you.